Chikoti said ki, you've got new friends now, why would you care about me? You have better friends than me. And which was really in a tone of jealousy. And I asked Chikoti ki, are you getting jealous of my another female friends? So Chikoti was like ki, nahin, why would I be jealous of your another female friends? Chikoti was telling me ki, you got new friends, you must enjoy your life with them, and you don't even text me now, so why would you care about me if you have better friends than me? ये सब हुआ and I thought कि yeah, maybe she is jealous, and finally now she will get feelings for me. तो अब मेरे को ऐसा लगा, लेकिन अगले ही दिन से चिकोटी का फिर से वही चौथ बंगड़ा शुरू हो गया. एक पॉइंट पे आके आई गॉट सो फेड अप. I confronted to Chikoti. If you want me to leave, I'll leave. I'm not gonna text you anymore. I'm not gonna call you anymore, and I'll just go. Now, Chikoti started to cry. ये बंदी मेरे को इतना बेकार ट्रीट करके बाद में फिर ये बात पे रोने लगी कि why are you leaving? Chikoti रोना धोना करने लगे कि please don't leave. I don't want our friendship to end and all. And now my heart melted just because I had feeling for her. लेटर ऑन फिर वही चीजें होती गई. मैं कम अमाउंट में भी कॉल मैसेज करता था, फिर भी वो इग्नोर ही करते चली जाती थी कंटिन्यूअसली. फिर उसके बाद मेरा दिमाग घूम गया एंड मैंने उसको सुना दिया. I got up to her and I said, you just wanted my attention, you never really liked me, you just pretended so that you could get my attention, which triggered her. And now Chikoti involved her mom in this. Chikoti ने अपनी मम्मी को बताया कि ये बंदा मेरे कैरेक्टर के बारे में ऐसा ऐसा बोल रहा है, and this guy is calling me characterless. Now Chikoti की moms called me. Chikoti के माँ ने मुझे सुना दिया. Chikoti की माँ started to yell at me कि तेरे घर में माँ बहन नहीं है क्या? How are you calling my daughter characterless and all? I hung up the call. अब उसकी एक्शन से मेरे को हर्ट हो रहा था, and when I tried to leave, she used to cry and tell me that don't leave please, I don't want our friendship to end. Chikoti and मेरी बात बंद हो गई थी उसके बाद completely. उसके बाद I met new people which they assured me कि तेरी कोई गलती नहीं थी इसमें, उसकी भी नहीं थी एक्चुअली में, लेकिन the way she treated and the way she behaved with me was completely wrong. तो फिर भी अभी तक Chikoti used to text me about studies and all. I denied her 2 times कि don't text me, I don't want to talk to you. She still used to ask me about all those study stuff. And I know for sure कि अगर मैंने फिर से उससे बात शुरू की तो she will be the same like she was before. इस कहानी से क्या सीखने मिलता है? अटेंशन सीकर से दूर रहे और अपनी सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट की मान ना छोड़े.